understand and I agree,
So
sir.
the region whether of the entire district. I think, do you know about this thing? We should
Has migrated from a certain village for
no Hindu at all, except only one, two hajongs in that chowk.
Every officers, every department, at least I believe you have come with exercise, at least to give us detail whatever skills projects that has been sent, because this is not just an exercise, it is to look at whether the scheme whichever has been sanctioned and sent to the government of Meghalaya, whether it has been executed as per the rule or not, all those things will be looked into this.
No Hindu at all, except only one, two hajongs in that chowk. Otherwise, no Muslims at all. But 32 numbers is a shocking number. It can increase up to 100 numbers within no time. So these illegal laborers, illegal residents, all those things should be checked seriously.